You love the idea of living in Westmoorings amongst the expats and the who's who of Trinidad and Tobago. But the idea of maintaining a single family house does not appeal to you. You love oceanfront properties with commanding views, gated, safe, and secure. A property within walking distance to the mall and the international school, and within proximity to beaches, the yacht club, in a community of modern upscale houses. Well, if this sounds like you, stop what you're doing, because today we're heading to Fontaine Housing Complex in Westmoorings, Trinidad. If you're new to this channel or returning, welcome to Gartsy, the channel that explores the glamorous artsy lifestyle in Trinidad and Tobago. From houses to events, eats to art, we cover all that this Caribbean country has to offer. We began our journey heading west on the Western Main Road, in the direction of the falls at West Mall, driving through the back area to enter Westmoorings. A few blocks down into Columbus Circle is where we ran into Fontaine. I was quite excited about this trip as we were offered full access, even to see inside of some of the apartments at Fontaine. This promises to be an absolute treat, as I had always seen the outside of the building, well appointed and painted. I could only imagine what the inside must look like. Fontaine is a premier luxury waterfront gated compound in Westmoorings, Trinidad. In 2026, it remains one of the most highly sought-after residential locations on the west side of the island. Apartments are actively listed, with a 3-bedroom on the 5th floor fetching around 5.8 million TTD. Monthly rents hovering nearly 3,500 USD. Fontaine is situated near Columbus Circle on the waterfront, providing scenic views of the Gulf of Paria and Port of Spain skyline. The compound is fully gated with 24/7 high-tech security, a swimming pool and entertainment barbecue area, and a tennis court. I must admit, the inside was a bit dated, but in the land of real estate, location trumps it all, and this property is well located. It is prized for being within walking distance to the International School of Port of Spain and the falls at West Mall. It is also adjacent to the family-friendly waterfront community park. From this side of the building, we look north into Diego Martin. Couple floors up on the 8th floor, the views got better and the price went higher. All was forgiven when I took in this view. Could you imagine coming up here at the end of a stressful day? Just watching, you can see the Gulf of Paria, the city, even Columbus Circle just below us. After a brief walkthrough of the lobby, it was time to check out the exterior and the pool area. Thank you for taking this brief tour with me to La Fontaine in Westmoorings, Martin. Don't forget to like, share, and consider subscribing to this channel. Also, consider becoming a member of this channel. It will help us to grow. As we journey out of La Fontaine in Columbus Circle, we get a chance to take a look at these gorgeous houses along the way. Thank you for watching Gartsy.